Eliminate all enemies or capture the overtime flag to win.
AX-50.
I'm more than ready.
Me too.
AX-50, bro, these guys finna get it. These guys finna get it.
All assets are secure on site.
I'm not shredding, never mind.
There is no one else. Complete
He's
the mission.
crouched and hard scoped.
Marker.
Got 900.
Aww. Who
Who
plays like that? Oh my god. He was already
Bro, he
pre-aimed.
did not aim from the last time you were there.
Oh my god. I know he's gonna be here. We should have traded at least. He went back. He went back behind the truck.
I shot
Yet. Make it happen.
Yikes. It's alright. It's alright. This is how that last game went.
No mistakes. No prisoners.
Ew.
There goes nothing. Taking lives.
What, bro? The dot was on his face. Melee him. Melee him.
Take a breath. We're going back in.
Bro, it wouldn't let me turn when he walked onto me.
Man. That's not good. That's not good. We can just show people to come back at a century.
Bro, that was so dumb.
Oh, we traded. Let's go.
They're willing to die for their mission.
From 1
so
and 4.
be it.
I hate how they play.
Me too.
Face, though.
Kill them all or die trying.
SPR, bro.
I love this gun.
Me too.
Oh, you're freaking out.
Let's go too. He assassinated him.
Do it now. Keep up the pressure.
I thought he was looking at me, so I
Straight
panicked on that
flags.
first shot. But then I realized, oh, he ain't looking at me.
I was trying to trick shot him. One left. For the LOLs.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Keep fighting.
What did you do to him now?
Oh man. Bro, I
Move
just
to engage.
pooped on him. I literally just took a fat Dragunov on him. Oh. Swear to God. Oh. Bro,
Oh my
you
God.
like
On to
walked
the next
into a
round.
photo
Pick it
shoot,
up.
dude. Oh man.
I just seen this glaring.
It's gonna be the Dragunov for the rest of the game, I bet.
I hate this.
I seen you.
One left, I'm rushing. It's on me.
Wow, I just watched him
Stay hungry.
eat it,
There's
bro.
more where that came from.
Oh, beautiful hard scope. Spam.
Kill them all or die
It's a
trying.
That's all you can do
Sandwich.
with this gun.
Swear to God. Oh, he didn't do it this time. Ooh, I seen that. I seen that.
He's laying down. He's up there, bro.
I'm going. There is no one else.
Oh, he already
Around
knew.
means nothing. Prepare to fight.
He already knew, bro.
Comeback time.
NANI?!
Man, please give us a different gun.
Switching sides.
Please, not the Dragunov. I beg. I beg. Oh my
Oh
God.
We're on match point.
I'm gonna.
Can't take
I
another
hate
loss.
the way I'm finna play this round, but I'm gonna play it the way I need to play it.
Hurry up, that, dude.
I already already killed one. Left side. You know where like that crate is? He's more behind you. There he is. Oh, thank God.
Zero, stay hungry. Just
I
one more
almost had a
second.
heart attack, dude. I almost had a heart attack.
Should have been dead on the first shot.
Yeah, he should
Got
have.
him in his collarbone every time.
Tied up. We're still in this.
I don't care what anybody in the comments are finna say, bro. I'm playing it like how I have to. If I'm gonna win, I'm gonna play it how I need to win.
From where? Did I just
There's
get
one
shot?
middle. Killed one.
Oh, I'll watch that.
Oh, he's right side. Don't let him punch you. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Comeback of the century, dude. I hate the way I had to play them last 2 rounds. But if I have to win, bro,
Dude, that
I'm
dude
going
got
to.
carried.
Oh, man. Wow. Good game. That was nuts. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to see next. If you guys want to see some more snipers only, be sure to let me know in the comments. And I hope you all enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching.